Hello fellow YouTubers. I'm working on my sister's 1999 Mercedes CLK 320 convertible. She has the same problem everyone else has with this car. The headlights get a nice yellow glaze on them just from years of use, and the yellow, and you don't get good light through them. I recently purchased the 3M headlight restoration kit. It works wonders. You get a sanding disc to chuck into your drill, and you get multiple sanding grits. You get 500, 800, and then you get a 3000 Trizac wet sanding disc. And then you get a foam pad with some rubbing compound. Here's the kit right here. It's already been used, performed on my father's ML 320. And this is going to be a demonstration. Show you before and after effects.